I'm Marcus Chamantua, and today I'm gonna teach you how to perform the different fitness tests for muscular strength and endurance, cardiovascular endurance, and flexibility fitness tests. Let's start. For muscular strength and endurance, we will first do the squat test. To do the squat test, we must first move our feet apart, at least wider than our shoulder width, and then clasp our hands together, close to our chest, and then try to sit, and then stand, sit, and stand. We will do this repeatedly to count how many times we can do squats in a whole minute. Next, for muscular strength and endurance is the sit-up or curl-up test. We're going to be using a mattress or a towel so that we can lay on the ground. First step is to sit down with your knees at least 90 degrees angle, and then lay on your back with your arms crossed on your shoulder and your chest. Try to reach and sit up. So we're going to do that for a full minute and count how many times we're able to sit up. And last, for muscular endurance is the push-up test. To do the push-up test, our body must be in push-up position. So put your hands on the ground with our toes supporting our lower body. Arms are at least shoulder width apart. And then bend your elbows. We will do this repeatedly for at least 1 minute and count how many push-ups we can do. Moving on to cardiovascular endurance, we're going to do the 3-minute step test. With this test, we're going to use a bench that is at least as high as 12 inches. First step is to move your left foot up and onto the bench, followed by your next foot, and then you're gonna step down with the first foot that you used to step upon, followed by the next, and then we're gonna repeat this method for at least 3 minutes. The goal of this test is to measure how fast the heart rate can return to normal after doing the exercise. So after 3 minutes, we're going to measure our pulse for at least a whole minute. To measure our flexibility, we're going to do the sit and reach test. To do this test, we're going to be using a ruler. First step is to sit with your feet apart. Put the ruler on the level of your foot. Put one hand above the other, and then try to reach as far as you can. After doing so, you're gonna measure how far you can reach between your legs. And last, for flexibility test is the zipper test. To do the zipper test, we must be in standing position. Put your right hand behind your head and over your shoulder. With your left hand, try to reach your right hand. Try to ask someone to measure how many inches or centimeters did your middle fingers overlap over each other. Remember that it is fine if your middle fingers didn't overlap each other or even touch each other. It just means that you must practice more to be even more flexible. Another reminder, before you do this test, you must first do warm-ups or stretching so that you won't experience body pains after a few days of doing these exercises and tests. Thank you for watching.